Okay, another installation completed successfully. I have Justin and Alex Solis, right?
Yes, sir.
These guys drove over from Austin, Texas, for their dad, actually, right?
Yeah.
Because your dad said he was coming over, and Dad's name is Ren.
Yes, sir.
Okay, from Austin, and yeah, they brought this big, beautiful gold Winnebago Rialta. Now, I think this is the second or third gold one I've done.
Oh, really?
And I noticed something about gold ones. They're a little harder to uninstall the original generator. They put some extra silicone on it. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. It added about an hour to the removal. Yeah.
Oh, man.
So I'm gonna have to take that because I thought maybe the original owner did it before. But it turns out that no, that's a factory thing. This is a 2004?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so yeah, there's some extra silicone on the connections. Makes it really hard to get it off. It was a pain in the butt. So anyway, we got it installed running. Ran that big old 13,000 BTU air conditioner up there, and that worked well. So these guys are headed back. I just want to do a quick video to put on YouTube. Gotta have a YouTube videos, but yes. Other than the silicone, everything went well. And so you guys gonna be using this? Y'all had this for many years.
Yeah, I think we're like pushing 12 years.
12 years y'all had it. So y'all get a lot of use out of it then.
Yes, we did.
Okay, so you'll probably put some hours on that generator then.
Oh yeah, starting in a couple weeks.
In a couple weeks.
Yeah, we'll take it on a nice trip. My brother and I are gonna probably head to national parks and do what we can of this quarantine.
Oh yeah. You know, a lot of people have been saying, you know what? I can isolate in my Rialta. So generator installations have actually picked up. So, all right. Well, I'll let you guys go. Just want to do a quick video. Tell your dad I didn't get a chance to meet him in person.
Yeah,
you know.
For sure.
I probably won't see y'all again until it needs a 500-hour valve adjustment or something. But
you drive it while it's running.
yeah.
I'm sure we'll figure out some way to see you again.
Right. Okay. Actually, I'd like to go to Belize. These guys are from Belize, and they got some restaurants over in Belize.
We'd love you to come anytime. Just let us know.
You know what? I'm going to be calling your dad, man.
Yeah, we'll hook you up. Seriously, we got everything like on lockdown now. Just let us know when you want to go.
How much does it cost to go now?
On Southwest, you get tickets sometimes as cheap as $250 round trip.
Really?
Because because they have that hub in
$250 round trip.
Yeah, sometimes you can get them a couple months ahead of time.
So where can I stay when I come over there?
So if you're gonna be on San Pedro, it depends if we're there or not. We have like a 2-bedroom apartment that's most of the time is empty. So if we're not there, you're more than welcome to that. I'm sure my dad's cool with that. And then we have relationships with all the hotels. So if you want to do the hotel in town or a resort up north, we can definitely get your discount.
Okay. So that's the hookup right there. And they cycle too, like I do. So we're gonna be doing some things together, guys.
We got some mountain bikes over there too. So
You do?
Not too far on the island, but we can get a little ride.
Oh, over on the island, you got some mountain bikes.
Yeah.
I used to ride mountain bikes, and I was thinking about getting another one since I've been back here in Louisiana, because not many people road bike out here.
Yeah.
They do more trail riding.
Yeah.
So yeah, I got to get another mountain bike. But all right, well, great, man, guys. I'm going to Belize.
Make another video there.
Yeah, I'll make another video. All righty. Well, y'all guys, take it. Be careful on the road. All right. We'll see you. All right.